Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about parts being installed on your vehicle and what you should know about them. There's many different definitions when it comes to parts, and we're going to try to go through these and give you a little bit of an idea. Let's start out first. Basically, you have new, used, and remanufactured parts. Typically, we don't recommend used parts on many things unless it's a non-rotating, non-movable part, such as subframes, fenders. Body shops often use those. These are components, when used, aren't a real big deal. For the most part, in general auto repair, remanufactured, such as calipers, often can be used on vehicles. Electronic sensors, sometimes throttle bodies, computers will be remanufactured. Those are quality parts. Typically sensors, we like to use new components along with things such as water pumps, shocks and struts, always new components. Now there's original equipment supplier, and there's a lot of aftermarket stuff. What you really need to be able to do is rely on a quality facility with a qualified technician to make recommendations on the parts on your vehicle. And with that, you'll get the longevity of quality warranties and a vehicle working properly. I'm Brian Bowersock.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.